Dear friend, today we will are decoding about the AI impact in software industry. So let's move on this discussion because we have some analyze the some viewer point what impact will comes with real and hypothetical cases. So before going to this, watching to this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. So let's start with this. AI is not talking the all software job; it's changing them. Means AI is not wiping out the entire the software workforce, but it's reshaping the role how work get done. So, as per this survey, 73 to 84% of developers use AI tool like daily workflow and coding, testing, and debugging the documentation. The huge adoption jump in these just few years. Another estimated suggests the 40% of the routine coding or development work may be done with the AI help of the some company. So it means I think all developers because of all before using to AI tools, all developers are using to Google search engine if they found any difficulties regarding to logics and code, how to implement, how to dependency inject in the existing code. So a lot of things they are doing through the Google's search engine, but as of now the most probably all developers are using to AI tools. If you had some tools like that BS code, here you can build your AI tools. You just put the prompt command and you can your work will automatically will done by. So here main problem is that AI is reducing the manual work with the automation work. Means developer just put the prompt and according to prompt the code will generated by the AI tool and built into the your existing code directory structures. So that kind of things are going to change. Report find AI reduced the root programming task by about the 35 to 55%, freeing time to higher level work. So here, what is to done regarding to the software industry? So main objective is that reducing the time and improving the performance and outcome by using to AI tools. So this is the objective in current scenario. So here developers should be mainly focused on the logical thinking and development strategy and debugging strategy. All kind of strategy skills need to be developed if they want to really survive in the software industry. So what really happened, the all argument developers while talking over the primitive code writing, it does not eliminate the need for developer themselves. Means if you are thinking means AI will replace the developer, you don't think about that because of without developer as of now not possible. The whole application is managed by the AI tool. Some kind of places AI can be automated, and but role of developer never will vanish because of the code and real thinking of the business scenario, it will not be happen through the AI tool, because of AI tool based on the prompt it will generate or the business scenario. Once that is generated code, so developer need to be test your own business scenario. If find any things else during the testing and debugging, so that kind of things also can be manipulated through the AI tools. Next thing, job growth is not collapsing, it is evolving. Because of some time back, I see numerous in the various people of software industries, they are thinking the job growth will be collapsed, but it will not happen during the AI automation. In long term, job growth in software development is still is a positive. But main thing why I'm telling, because of if you forget the basic roots of the programming concept, you will never work with the AI tool as well. Because of the judgment power not have edge of now in the AI tools, but judgment powers have with the humans. So human developers they don't have the technical skill and logical thinking that will lose their jobs in existing environment of the software industry. So the large labor strategy US BLS project software development job to be grow 15 to 18% through the next decade, much faster than average. The Bard Economic Forum wants the forecast 10 of million of new tech jobs globally may be arising and many requiring AI skills. So these kind of jobs are coming in futures because of if the software jobs are not disappearing, they are being reshaped with the new expectation. Means the software company will tell to developer use to that tools and do the fast execution of the requirement. Suppose manual work will replace with the automation work. So that kind of reshaping concept will coming in the new scenario. So which role face the most pressure? AI automation has uneven impact across the job type. So most probably what kind of area will affected through the AI. So role involving the repetitive or predictable task like that entry level developer writing the boilerplate code, that kind of jobs will eliminated, and QA tester test engineer doing routine manual testing, that kind of also having risks. Simple scripting or repetitive documentation tasks, they will this have the risk in this type of jobs. Job with the limited human judgment required. And research and job trend data indicate these areas are face more automation pressures, which many leaders saying junior hiring may be shrink because of latest trend growing role involving the complex region, creativity and human context, software architect and system designers will arising in the future, and senior engineer and tech lead should be arising. DevOps and cloud engineers, security specialists will be arising. They have future to increase the job growth, and personal growth as well as salary wise. AI, ML engineer and data engineer higher cognitive tasks are far harder for AI to fully automation. So this kind of jobs most probably come in the future in demand. Demand for AI skill boost in salary and new roles. The point number four. So AI is not just as a threat, it is creating new jobs and pay premiums like that developer with AI ML expertise earn higher salary. As example, 15% more in the current salary structures. New jobs categorized like that the prompt engineers, AI engineers, and ML operations specialists are rapidly emerging. Many companies now list AI skill as a job requirement, increasing the demand for hybrid expertise. This means AI literacy is now a valuable career asset. Means behind this means each and every engineers which are belong to software industry must be upskilled with the latest skill set like that AI, artificial intelligence, because of that are the valuable career assets. Productivity gain doesn't allow means job disappear. So AI tool do improve the productivity but not really is used. This means the team report productivity boost the AI tools. Some rigorous studies show slower output is specific task because of the extra validation and maintenance overhead. This means developer may shift effort into the better code quality and review rather than simple output without human oversight. So these kind of things will uh, gain, but jobs are not going to disappear because of as of now coming the AI. So it means the software industry's jobs are going to reshape, and if jobs are going to reshape, so the developer and associate team should be upscaled with the new features included with the AI. Like that, some area are arising, like the data science, and if they are working in the Python, so they can upskill with the Python, they upskill with the Java, they can upskill with the R and Scala. So lot of programming language are have in the market. So the developers should need to be the basic concept should be always clear, because of if you don't have the knowledge about the programming concept, so how do you work with the AI tools? Because of AI will write your code, so the humans need to be judged the expectation of the requirement as per the expectation code is right or wrong, so that kind of things need to be judged by the developers. So this means developers may shift effort into the better code quality and review rather than simple output without human oversight. So last question, the bottom line, what is the data actually say? AI is transforming the software work very quickly, automation reducing some low complexity tasks, demand for advanced AI centric role is growing. Humans are still needed for creativity, complex design, and judgment. So That points are most probably used in the current scenario. So that the really story is not AI replace the software job, but it is like that transforming the job requirement and its role, defining in the new way. So I hope you clear about the uncertainty about the AI means what's current and what's in futures will go in front of the AI. So I think AI should not eat the job. AI should bring a new feature to provide the better scaling opportunity so they can go with the market and they can get the premium salary and lot of things and the new opportunity. So I hope you clear about the uncertainty about the jobs are going or not. So that we found for you, your perspective means someone is feeling like that what happen if the software jobs will like that vanish in the software industry, but it is not going to vanish, it is going to upskilling and coming with the new role features in the software industry. So I will request to all developers and leads, you must be knowledge about the concept of the programming because of if you have not the programming concept, you will not work with the AI because of if you have not judgment, uh, judge power of judging of the AI tools code, so you will never survive in the software industry. So you must be focused on the role of the full stack developers. You must be knowledge in the UI, you must be knowledge in the backend, you must be knowledge in the right API, and you must be knowledge of the microservices concept as well as like that microservices design pattern. All things should be refreshed in your mind and learn the AI tools and upskill with. I means that is the meaning of the all these things should be upskilled with the AI tools. AI tools like the chatbot or other things, generative AI, lot of tools are there. So you can use like the cloud AI or use to open AI tools or Gemini, Google. So a lot of tools have in market. So you just start learning on that, how to work with the tools. And if you are a software developer, how to integrate these tools in your like that VS Code or IntelliJ or Eclipse. So you can build that kind of tools. So you can work with the automated way of writing the code by using to prompt command. So I hope you clear about these pictures like that jobs are current and futures are going with the new skill set. Thank you watching this video. I would request to you like and subscribe to channels because we bring the lot of effort and make up this video for you. Thank you so much watching this video.